How to change your Skillshare account email. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change your Skillshare account email. So kindly follow through. The first step is to sign in into your Skillshare account, okay? After signing in into your Skillshare account, the next step is to navigate through to your account settings by moving to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and once you see it, click on it. Then in the drop down menu, ensure you click on account settings. After clicking on that, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Your profile settings will be precise. Then move to the left side and then click on email address. After clicking on email address, you will be brought to your email address page, and then you'll see your current email address displayed in the box, and you'll see the instruction that you need to carry out in order to change your email address. So you can see, to change your email, you must first disconnect this in account settings, and also ensure you click on account settings, and so you can now go ahead and disconnect. The reason you cannot see the option disconnect here on my screen is because I have not subscribed as a member on Skillshare. But for you, since you've subscribed, you will see the option for you to be able to disconnect your email address here and change it to the next one. So follow the procedures displayed and you're good to go. But majorly ensure you move to your email address tab first of all, and then follow whatever instruction that has been displayed here for you. So this is it, okay? This is how you can change your email address on Skillshare. So ensure you practice this as soon as you can. Thank you and have a good day.